rezSHARP resiliently sharp line of scalers and curettes feature highly specialized silicone grips that follow the contours of the twist handle. By default, rezSHARP scalers are shipped in our signature Lady Liberty blue color, but additional silicones are available for purchase in 6 different colors. Here is how to change the silicones. First, squeeze the silicone so part of the end is lifted above the handle's silicone seat. Then, simply rotate and apply outward pressure to pull the silicone off the tip. Be careful with the working end of the instrument as it can slice the silicone grip. To install a silicone grip, simply slide the grip over the working end and along the shaft until it sits flush in the silicone seat. You can then rotate the silicone so that it matches the contours of the twist handle. For more information, please visit tbsdental.com/education.